हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द क्लास फिफ्थ। ये आपकी ईवीएस की बुक जिसका नेम है अपना परिवेश। इसके 4 चैप्टर्स आप कंप्लीट कर चुके हो। आज है चैप्टर नंबर 5 जिसकी रीडिंग करने वाले हैं हम। लेट्स प्ले गेम्स। ये आपका चैप्टर है, चैप्टर नंबर 5, लेट्स प्ले गेम्स। वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ गेम्स। आज सिर्फ हम इस चैप्टर की रीडिंग करेंगे, तो आपको भी रीडिंग करनी है। अगर आपने बुक्स खरीद ली हैं तो आपको अपनी बुक्स पास में लेके बैठना है और डायरेक्ट बुक से रीड करना चाहो तो भी आप कर सकते हो, ओके। पर आपको होमवर्क यहाँ से देखना होगा, इसमें होमवर्क भी साथ में है। इन राजस्थान मैनी गेम्स आर प्लेड डिफरेंटली इन डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द स्टेट। मर्दारी, सितोलिया, गिल्ली डंडा, छुपा छुपी, पकड़ा पकड़ी, etc. आर सम ट्रेडिशनल गेम्स विच कैन बी प्लेड विथ minimum instruments. Kids enjoy playing indoor games like charbhar, chopad, sing bagri, ashtachanga, etc. in the home premises. Games are also organized on festivals such as on the occasion of Makar Sankranti, Sitolia in Mewad, kite flying in Wagad, Marwad and Dundad, etc. Okay. Think and answer the following questions. Which games are played in your village or city? Which game do you like to play? Discuss and try to know which games the elderly persons in your home or neighbor have played during their childhood. Look at the following figures and discuss about them. Look at this picture. I am showing you. It is the picture of billiards. It is chess, archery, wrestling and kabaddi. Okay. Next page. Look at this picture. First picture is hockey. You can see. Second picture is table tennis. And third is badminton. Okay. Various types of games. Which games are being played in the above pictures? In kabaddi, how many players are there in one team? Which games are played in an open ground? Which games are played in a room or covered space? When more than one player play together, mutual coordination is generated and this helps in developing the sportsman spirit. The games that are played in an open ground are called outdoor games and the games that are played in the rooms are called indoor games. Nowadays, Kabaddi is becoming very popular after its matches are telecasted on Doordarshan. Now children play Kabaddi in every society and on street. We can also see them playing cricket in some places. A large ground is required to play cricket, but children play cricket in empty plots. Nowadays people have become quite aware of health too. Therefore yoga is becoming more popular. Come, let's know something about yoga too. There are 12 steps of Surya Namaskar. You can see. Next page, Yogasan. By looking at figure 5.2 pictures and as per the instructions given by the teachers on yoga, try to practice some asanas of yoga like Tadasan, Padmasan, Pavan Muktasan, Surya Namaskar. Combination of different asanas. In the Ashtang, yani 8, yoga of Rishi Patanjali, there is inclusion of Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. For the overall development of students, meditation is very important. This helps to develop the art of living a life. A positive attitude towards life develops. Yoga also helps in physical, mental, intellectual and spiritual development. Points for discussion. How do you feel doing yogasan after the prayer in assembly? If you have any experiences regarding yoga education, then narrate them in the class. Why should we go do yoga? Swami Vivekananda once said, first of all, we should strengthen the youth. Along with the source of entertainment, yoga and sports makes our body slender, healthy and beautiful. With the efforts of Indian government, lakhs of people, more from different parts of the world, did yoga and celebrated June 21st, 2015 as the Yoga Day. Nowadays, many foreigners visit our country to learn the yoga. The United Nations has declared June 21st as the International Yoga Day. Along with the entertainment, games make us healthy and beautiful. Along with physical and intellectual development, games make us disciplined, encouraging a feeling of cooperation, companionship. Games increase excitement and enthusiasm. Games teach us the victory, belief, struggle and make our life beautiful. Increase in breathing rate. We have to run and jump while playing. After running fast, we breathe at a faster rate. Things to do: sit, relax and breathe normally. Place your finger in front of the nostril and feel the inhaled and exhaled air. Now jump at your place 10-12 times and then feel the inhaled and exhaled air again. What did you realize? In which condition the air you have breathed is hot and in which condition it is cold? Blow the air from your mouth 3-4 times in an empty glass or on the mirror and observe what happens. You must have seen that sometimes the glass and mirror surface becomes blurred. This is because there is moisture in our breath which condenses on the cool surface. We can do many activities by blowing air from our mouth. Think and answer the following questions. Whether fire can be lit up higher by blowing the air from our mouth? Whether fire can be stopped by blowing the air from our mouth? Which instruments are played by blowing the air from the mouth? You can see this picture. Flute played by blowing air in it. This is flute. It is called in Hindi bansuri. Okay. Things to do: take an empty thread, reel and close one of its side by sticking a paper on it. Now make a small hole at the close and place the seed of munch, sweet of can plant, sarkanda on the hole and blow air from the open end. Observe what happens. Sit relaxed and breathe. Watch in the clock and note your breathing rate in 1 minute. Repeat this same process with other students. In your school playground, run by taking 2-3 rounds. Now note the time and count your breathing rate in 1 minute. Do you observe any change? Your breathing rate increase or decrease. A healthy person breathes 15-20 times in a minute. But when we run, play or walk fast, etc., our breathing rate increases. With a measuring tape, measure your chest size. Now forcefully inhale air and ask your friend to measure your chest. Similarly, measure other classmates' chest in the same way. Does the size of the chest increase after inhalation of air? At the end, sing the following lines in rhythm with your classmates. Games make us energetic. Games make us energetic. Games make us healthy and beautiful. Games teach us to be skillful. Games do not discriminate. Games develop brotherhood. Okay? I am singing next time. Games make us energetic. Games make us healthy and beautiful. Makes teach us to be skillful. Games do not discriminate. Games develop brotherhood. You can try at your home. The names of some very talented sports person who made us proud with their achievement. In swimming, Bhakti Sharma. स्विमिंग में सबसे आगे कौन? भक्ति शर्मा. इन आर्चरी, लिम्बाराम. इन बॉक्सिंग, मैरी कॉम. इन क्रिकेट, सचिन तेंदुलकर. Of the games mentioned above, in which games are you interested? Discuss. We learned. It's your homework. First 2-15 word meanings. ये आपका न्यू चैप्टर है तो आपको न्यू पेज से स्टार्ट करना है. चैप्टर नंबर 5, लेट्स प्ले गेम्स. पुट द डेट ऑन दिस पेज. वर्ड मीनिंग्स, डिफरेंट यानी अलग अलग, ट्रेडिशनल यानी परंपरागत, मिनिमम यानी कम से कम, इंस्ट्रूमेंट यानी उपकरण, इंजॉय यानी आनंद, होम प्रीमिसेस यानी घर का परिसर, ऑर्गेनाइज यानी आयोजन किया, फेस्टिवल्स यानी त्योहार, जनरेटेड यानी उत्पन्न, नाउ अ डेज यानी आजकल, पॉपुलर यानी लोकप्रिय, मैचेस यानी माचिस या मिलान करना, टेलीकास्ट यानी टीवी का ब्रॉडकास्ट करना, एम्प्टी यानी खाली, क्वाइट अवेयर यानी पूरी तरह से जागरूक. तो ये 15 स्पेलिंग्स आपका आज का होमवर्क है. आज का यानी आज की डेट है 7/7/20, लेकिन आपको जिस दिन ये वीडियो मिलता है आपको उसी दिन की डेट लगानी है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपको ये चैप्टर एक्सप्लेन करना स्टार्ट कर दूंगी। तब तक के लिए बाय, थैंक यू।